Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove Touch ID from your MacBook. This tutorial will be quick, just make sure to subscribe and leave a like if you will find this guide useful. So if you don't want to use it anymore, what you need to do is press on the Apple logo at the top right there and then go to System Settings. On System Settings you want to go ahead and scroll in this menu. On the menu you will see Touch ID and password, press on it. Now, as you can see, there is one finger added only. You can actually add free fingerprints. So if you want to go ahead and just change, for example, use Touch ID to unlock your Mac, you can go ahead and turn it off and use it, for example, only for Apple Pay or autofilling passwords and so on and so forth. But if you want to go ahead and just remove it completely, all you have to do, let me zoom in a little bit. So you're just gonna go ahead and press this X where the finger is, and you will need to go ahead and enter your password. So it's when unlocking your MacBook, and press delete, and that's it. Now if you want to add it, you're just gonna press add and add your finger here. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and I will see you next time. Bye.